Hey viewers, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play How Deep Is Your Love on Guitar by the Bee Gees. Now this song is for intermediate players. We have lots of chords and some great chord progressions, and we'll cover all the guitar parts. Now with this song we'll be using the capo on the first fret. You can do it as open chords, but I find some of the voicings of the chords don't quite sound right, so capo on the first fret. Now if you're struggling with any of the chords, I'll be breaking them all down at the end. So if you want to have a look at the chords first, you can jump to this time, then come back to the song. And now they'll also be on the screen as we go through. Don't forget, if you enjoy this lesson, to like and subscribe and check out my YouTube channel, Essential Guitar Lessons. Lots of songs and lessons for all levels and new ones uploaded weekly, and I'll put a link in the description for you. Remember also, if you're having any problems with the song, please leave a comment and let me know how you go with this one. So let's get into it. So for our intro, we're just going to play D for a bar in our strumming pattern through the whole song. It's just going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. And that's one bar. We do that for the D. Then we go to a D major 7, so we're just barring the 3rd fret on the G, B and E string. One bar there. A G major 7, one bar. Then we go into this A11, so open A, D, G and B, and the 4th fret on the E, and one bar there. And we just do that through 2 times for the intro, so let me play that up to speed for you. D, D major 7, G major 7, A11, again, D, D major 7, G major 7, A11. And that's our intro there, and from there we go into our verse. Let's have a look at that now. So for our verse, we're going to be doing lots of half bars, so we're just doing a down, down, up for those. So we're starting on the D, half a bar, down, down, up. F sharp minor 7, same half bar, down, down, up. E minor 7, half a bar. B7, half a bar. E minor 7, half a bar. This time F sharp 7, not F sharp minor, so F sharp 7, half a bar. And then our A11, we want a full bar there, so we're back to our down, down, up, down, up. Back to the D for half a bar. F sharp minor 7, half a bar. Then go to the B minor 7 this time and do a full bar, so down, down, up, down, up. E minor 7, a full bar, down, down, up, down, up. And A11, a full bar. And that's our verse there. So there's lots of jumping going on because we're doing half bars. So let's play that up to speed so you can hear how it's going to sound, starting on the D. And that's our verse from there. If we go into our pre-chorus, let's have a look at that now. So for our pre-chorus, we're going to start on the G major 7, and we're going to do that for a bar, so same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. F sharp minor 7, again, one bar. E minor 7, one bar. This time we go to a C9, so we've got the 4th fret on the A, 3rd on the D, and 4th on the G and the B. Don't play either E string there, and a bar. Back to F sharp minor 7 for a bar. And then to finish, we're going to go to this G over A for a bar. And that's our pre-chorus. Let me play that through for you, starting on the G major 7. And that's our pre-chorus there. From there we go into our chorus. Let's have a look at that. So our chorus is going to be similar to our intro. We have D for a bar, D major 7 for a bar, G major 7 for a bar. Then we're going to jump to a G minor 6 chord here. So we have the 4th fret on the E string, mute the A, 3rd on the D, and the 4th on the G, B and E there. 1 bar. Back to D for a bar. And then we have A minor over C for a bar. So just play a normal A minor chord and add the C notes there. So we're adding on to the 4th fret there on the A string and a bar there. Then B7 for 2 bars. E minor 7 for a bar. And then we're going to finish on G minor for 1 bar. And that's a chorus there, so let me play that through for you. It's got a few tricky chords in that one with that G minor 6 there and the A minor over C. So let's give that a go, starting on the D. That's our chorus there. From there we just go back to the verse, play it exactly the same, pre-chorus exactly the same, chorus again the same, verse, pre-chorus and chorus. Then it changes a little bit there, so let's have a look at that. So we've done that chorus and it just does this little fill. We play the D for half a bar, F sharp minor 7 for half a bar, and A11 for 2 bars. Then it just goes back to the chorus, repeats it all again, then does it again. D for half a bar, F sharp minor 7 for half a bar, and A11, 2 bars. And it's starting to fade out by then, and then we're just going back to the chorus again. So let me play from the D, F sharp minor 7, A11, then a chorus there, so you can see how that's going to come together. And then you just repeat the chorus again there, and we just keep repeating that until it fades out. So there are all the parts of the song. Let's have a look at the chords. Now when I say open, I mean 1st fret, because that's where the capo is. So the first chord we have is a standard D, open D string. We're going to have the 3rd fret on the G, 4th on the B, and 3rd on the E. We have a D major 7, open D, and just the 3rd fret on G, B and E there. Now we're going to have a G major 7 as well there. So this time it'll be the 4th fret on the E, 3rd on the A, open D, G and B, and the 3rd fret on the E string there. That's a G major 7. We have an A11, so open A, open D, G and B, and come to the 4th fret on the E string, and that's an A11. We have an F sharp minor 7 there. So we're going to have the 3rd fret on the E string, 5th fret on the A, and then the 3rd fret D, G, B and E. That's our F sharp minor 7. We're going to have an E minor 7 as well, open E string, 3rd fret on the A string and open D, G, B and E there, E minor 7. We're going to have a B minor 7, so this time 3rd fret on the A, 5th on the D, 3rd on the G, 4th on the B and 3rd on the E, and that's our B minor 7. We're going to have a C9 chord, so 4th fret on the A string, 3rd fret on the D and 4 on the G and the B. We don't play either of the E strings there, so that's our C9. We're also going to have this G over A as well. So again, we're not playing the E string, we have the open A string. We're going to play the 6th fret on the D, the 5th on the G, and the 4th on the B and the E, and that's our G over A. We also have an A minor over C there. So 4th fret on the A string, 3rd fret on the D and the G, 2nd fret on the B and open E, that's our A minor over C. And then we also have a G minor as well, this time 4th fret on the E string, 6th fret on the A and the D, and 4 on the G, B and E, and that's our G minor. We're going to have an F sharp 7 this time, 3rd fret on the E string, 5th on the A, 3rd on the D, 4th fret on the G string, 3rd on the B and the E, and that's our F sharp 7. So we had an F sharp minor 7, and now we've got an F sharp 7. We also have a B7, so 3rd fret on the A string, 5th fret on the D, 3rd on the G, 5th on the B, and 3rd on the E, and that's our B7. So again, we have a B minor 7 and a B7. And the last one we have is this nice G minor 6 chord. So we're going to have the 4th fret on the E string, we're going to mute the A string, we're going to have the 3rd fret on the D, and then the 4th fret on the G, B and E. And that's our G minor 6 there. And they're all the chords in the song. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.